Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to share LinkedIn profile link. Friends, if you want to share your LinkedIn profile link, then you need to open LinkedIn app. Now here you need to press on the profile picture. Now press on the profile name. Now here you will find three dots. Press on it. Now here you will find option to share. Press on it. Now from here you can copy your LinkedIn URL or you can select the app to share in. Now as you can see, I have successfully shared my LinkedIn profile in WhatsApp. So friends, like this you can very easily share your LinkedIn profile. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.